The map is centered on your current location. You can identify a location by clicking on the map, or by using the search box in the top right. Results. Filter the results by the map's publication date. Filter the results by scale. Filter the results by type. You can also use the filter to view only digitized maps. You can see the outlines of the maps by hovering over the results. Click on the map to view it on the base map. Use the pin function to keep the map always visible, or to compare two maps using the transparency function. Use the transparency to compare with the base map. Further information is available by clicking the corresponding icon. Find the map's location and whether it is available for loan through the catalog. Find the map in high resolution on Phaedra. Pin the map to take measurements. Measure the distance. Double-click to finish measuring. Measure the area. Double-click to finish measuring. It is possible to search for a map by drawing an area of interest. Double-click to close the area. You can search for a map using one or more elements of the title. You can change the base map type. MapFly can also be navigated on mobile devices.